We walk into the store while the morning feels new. Fresh apples on the shelf, shining red, green, and blue. I pick a piece of watermelon, place it gently in my cart, learning simple English words. That's how every journey starts. Difficult words explain. Shells the flat surface where items are placed in a store. Gently, softly, carefully, not rough. Journey, a trip, a long path of learning or travel. We stand in the produce aisle, smelling oranges in the air. Buns are baking in the bakery, warm bread everywhere. A roasted chicken waits for us, wrapped and ready to go. Learning English at the grocery store, moving slow but steady though. Difficult words explain. Produce fresh fruits and vegetables out the walking path between shelves in a store. Steady moving slowly, but not stopping. Packaged meat in plastic, vacuum sealed tight. Yogurt in different colors, pink, vanilla, white. Frozen foods remind me of childhood, lunch and play. Every new word you learn becomes a window to your day. Difficult words explain. Vacuum sealed, packed with all air removed. Vanilla, a simple flavor, white and sweet. Window, something that lets you see and understand. Checkout rhythm at the checkout counter. The conveyor belt spins around. The cashier scans our items, beep, such a familiar sound. We pack our bags, step outside, sunlight warms our feet. Learning English in real life makes your fluency complete. Difficult words explain. Conveyor belt, the moving belt that carries items at checkout. Cashier, the person who takes your money in a store. Fluency, speaking smoothly and clearly. Every fruit, every shelf, every product that you see is another chance to learn English naturally. So don't rush, don't worry, take it word by word. Your voice is growing stronger every time you're heard. Difficult words explain. Naturally, easily, without stress. Chance and opportunity heard when someone listens to you.